If you want to unlink your Cash App account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account that is linked to your Cash App. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu. On the mobile app, tap the 3 horizontal lines menu in the bottom right corner, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the website, click the downward arrow in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Step 3. Find apps and websites. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Apps and Websites. Click on it to view all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Step 4. Locate Cash App. Scroll through the list of connected apps until you find Cash App. Click on it to view more details about the connection. Step 5. Remove Cash App. Once you have selected Cash App, look for the option to remove or unlink it. Click on Remove and confirm your choice to disconnect Cash App from your Facebook account. After completing these steps, your Cash App account will be successfully unlinked from Facebook. If you have any issues, you may want to check both accounts for any additional settings or permissions that need to be adjusted.